Good morning. Today we're in Blacklick, Ohio at 1144 Moneca Street. It's a beautiful, lovely street, very quiet here in Blacklick with beautiful landscaping all about. Let's go ahead inside so we can take a look at all the updates. Here we are in the great room of this lovely ranch. It's nice and spacious. It feels so cozy. It's just like being at home. It's great. They had brand new floors just installed here in 2021. Then we come over here to the kitchen, which also was redone in 2021. We have all new appliances in 21. The kitchen cabinets were resurfaced. It's an awesome kitchen in this lovely ranch. Okay, let's continue on the tour. Let's go into the owner's suite here. It's a nice size owner's suite. It's beautiful. Oh, I forgot. Right here we have the laundry room, and it's got a beautiful, pretty cool barn door that I love those barn doors. They're so nice, and they make it a nice little finish. As we come in here to the owner's suite, it's got, again, a brand new floor. And then we have the that wall back there is just awesome. I love what they did with that wall. It's a nice size owner suite, and it's been freshly painted just like the rest of the upstairs of the house. And as we come back this way, we do have the owner suite bathroom and a walk-in closet. Here we are down in the finished portion of the basement. This can be used for just about anything. It was being used as a bedroom, but it could be an entertainment space. It's got enough room for a pool table, foosball, whatever you want. It's yours to decide. Here we are outside on the lovely patio. It's a great morning to sit out here. The birds are chirping. We're sitting under this beautiful gazebo with a fan, which actually does stay with the home. The furniture does not, but the gazebo does. It's peaceful and quiet back here. The house has a lot of updates. The roof, again, was updated in 2021. It's a brand new roof, and so was the water tank. Come check out this lovely home. Check us out on Facebook, and I look forward to giving you a tour. Just contact us, and we'll give you a personal tour. See ya.